How to fall asleep fast in 5 minutes. Some nights falling asleep quickly doesn't come easy. And tossing and turning, and thinking about not sleeping only makes it worse. Here are a few creative, but simple strategies you can try practically anywhere to snooze faster and sleep better tonight. Of course, these don't replace medical advice from your doctor. You should still consult a medical professional if you have serious sleep problems. Welcome to our channel. You're on a journey to optimal health and wellness, and we're right here with you. Give these tips a try, and you might be surprised to find that they can make a big difference between a restless night and sweet dreams. Number 1. Practice deep breathing. After a long, stressful day, you expect to fall asleep quickly. But often, the stresses of the day keep your mind running and prevent you from drifting off. Breathing exercises can be helpful to reduce stress and anxiety and help you to relax at bedtime. A simple breathing technique that takes seconds to complete could help you fall asleep in less than 5 minutes. It's hard to quiet your mind at the end of a long day. Your brain knows it's time to go to sleep, but your body isn't feeling it. The key to real relaxation is owning your breathing. Breathing patterns play a role in our autonomic nervous system, which regulates heart rate, muscle tension, motivation, and other aspects of relaxation or excitement. Whereas rapid, shallow breaths can create a sense of anxiety, deep slow breaths can be calming. One technique to try is the 4-7-8 method developed by an American doctor, Dr. Andrew Weil. The process is fairly simple. Here's how to do it. Place the tip of your tongue against the ridge behind your upper teeth throughout the exercise, inhaling and exhaling. Exhale completely via your mouth, making a whooshing sound. Now, close your mouth and inhale through your nose to a count of 4. Hold your breath for 7 counts. Exhale slowly out of your mouth to a count of 8, making the whooshing sound. He recommends practicing the technique by sitting down with your back straight before trying it lying down and repeating the cycle 4 times to start, until you get used to it. Number 2. Invest in a quality mattress. Buying a new mattress is one of the most important purchases you'll make when it comes to quality of sleep. It needs to be comfortable and supportive to give you the best possible sleep, and durable so you won't have to replace it within a few years. And because mattresses can get pricey, you want to make sure you're investing in one that's actually worth the cost. A low-quality mattress can create pressure points on your back, resulting in pain and poor sleep quality. Gone are the days of settling for discomfort. So which mattress material is best? There is no one-size-fits-all for mattress firmness. Different people, depending on sleep position, activity level, body mechanics, age, and other factors will sleep better on different levels of firmness or softness of a mattress. If you want to get the best night's rest, the best mattress is the one that matches your body type and sleep style. Memory foam mattresses adapt to your body shape, so it feels like your pressure points are being cradled. Inner spring mattresses are usually firmer and have more bounce. Hybrid mattresses use a combination of foam and inner springs, so you don't have to pick just one. You can find mattresses at every firmness level and price for either material. When it comes to better sleep, what you spend up front you'll make up for in increased efficiency and beauty. Number 3. Go dark. Your bed should be associated with sleeping, not working, eating, or watching TV. If you have a television in your room, consider removing it. If you wake up during the night, skip turning on your laptop or TV and do something soothing like meditating or reading until you feel sleepy again. Keeping your bedroom free of artificial light and noise will not only ensure a nice, dark sleep environment, but also teach your brain that your sleep cave is for sleep only and not for social media, world events, or other things that get our minds going. This trains your brain to automatically relax when you get into bed. Use blackout shades or an eye mask if your room can't achieve total darkness, or if your wake-up time is well past sunrise. Start dimming lights at least 30 minutes before you want to sleep to tell your body that it's bedtime. Even better, switch lamps to dimmer, warmer colored bulbs and use tools or apps on computers to minimize blue light's impact. Don't eat in bed, even if it's just a little snack. Never do work or other stress-inducing activities while in your bedroom. Basically, treat your bedroom like a sanctuary. It should be a relaxing place where you keep stress and negativity out. You and your partner can use your bed for intimacy and sleep, but nothing else. Following this advice will help you to feel ultra calm and comfortable in your bedroom and allow you to improve the quality of your beauty sleep. Are you enjoying the video? Then make sure to click the like button below, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Number 4. Chill out. Many studies have found that cooler temperatures appear to help us get deeper sleep and fall asleep faster. Plus, nothing feels as dreamy as wrapping up in warm blankets in a cold room. If you find yourself struggling to sleep at night, either with beads of sweat or the shivers running through your body, you may be sleeping in the wrong temperature range. Body temperature and room environment play an instrumental role in the quality of our sleep. Sleeping in a cool temperature helps improve sleep quality. Why does this work? Throughout the day, our bodies fluctuate between 2 and 3 degrees. When we lie down in bed, our internal temperatures drop, signaling to our brains that it's bedtime. Maintaining a cool bedroom temperature helps facilitate our body's natural cooling process. Keeping the temperature in your bedroom low is good for both your metabolism and your blood flow. This is important because improving your blood flow helps oxygenate your skin, keeping it plump and even toned for the day ahead. For adults, the National Sleep Foundation recommends keeping your bedroom between 60 and 67 degrees Fahrenheit for an optimal night's sleep. In addition, cooler temperatures can facilitate REM, rapid eye movement, the stage of sleep where our muscles relax, and we begin to dream. When we change our environment to a comfortable range, we can ensure more restful sleep. Another way to help this process along is to soak in a warm bath for about 30 minutes before bedtime, further amplifying the temperature drop and potentially boosting deep sleep. You could also try sleeping in the buff, since clothing can inhibit the natural process of evening out your body temperature as you rest. Instead of thinking about trying to go to sleep, tell yourself that you're trying to stay awake for a few minutes. If a dark, quiet bedroom makes your mind run, you can also try listening to an audiobook or podcast on low volume, or visualize relaxing activities in your mind, to take the focus off sleep itself. Number 5. Visualization and meditation can help. Guided visualization exercises and meditation are common types of relaxation techniques. For many people who struggle with falling asleep, unwanted thoughts often can play a big role. The good news is that visualization exercises and meditation can help in various ways. Guided visualizations involve imagining pleasant and peaceful scenes that foster relaxation of the body and mind. Similar to daydreaming, visualization is one way to help break away from unwanted thoughts before bed. When done effectively, practicing visualization or imagery about relaxing scenes may really help ease your mind. During visualization, know that it's okay if your mind wanders. Simply return your focus to the scene, gently and without judgment. Try out different methods and audio tracks to see what works best for you. Visualization can also be a helpful midday stress reliever to keep in mind. The main way that meditation can help you sleep better is by reducing stress and anxiety. Meditation helps calm your thoughts, and by calming your thoughts, you reduce the feelings associated with those thoughts. Meditation can calm just about any racing mind. But it would help to reduce some of the things that are overstimulating your mind, such as too many activities, and excessive background noise. Basically, any sensory stimulation will create a chain of thoughts, and if your day is filled with activities and noise, then your mind is being overstimulated. For the most part, meditation is a break from sensory stimulation. While the guided meditations for sleep have music and a voice to guide you, the sounds are slow and soothing, which helps slow your mind down. This also allows you to let go of future and past worries and live in the present, which can sometimes be exactly what people need to put their mind at ease and finally fall asleep fast. Number 6. Eat carbs at night. There's a reason that Thanksgiving dinner makes everyone feel sleepy, and it's not just the tryptophan. High spikes of insulin, created by carbs and sugars, make people feel sluggish and sleepy. Eating carbs for dinner will slow the body down and ready it for sleep. White rice has a high glycemic index. This simply means that it will give you a natural increase in blood sugar and insulin levels, which in turn helps tryptophan go to work in your brain faster. Some studies have found that eating carbs a few hours before bed helped people fall asleep faster and sleep better. The key here is to keep dinners simple and moderate in portion, so you won't be bothered with indigestion later. Spicy foods can negatively affect your ability to fall asleep fast, so keep that in mind, too. Number 7. Supplements. Low melatonin. People who struggle with sleep may be low in melatonin. Melatonin is a natural hormone that regulates your sleep-wake cycle. Its production is regulated by the detection of lightness and darkness by the retina of the eye, so our body naturally produces melatonin in the evening. This is why excess screen exposure before bed can alone be the cause of your melatonin deficiency. Many sleeping supplements contain melatonin and may help people to fall asleep. Melatonin can be especially helpful for people who are experiencing jet lag, having trouble falling asleep at night, or coping with shift work. Melatonin supplements are available without a prescription from drugstores, supermarkets, and online shops. The supplements tend to come in doses of 1 to 5 milligrams, and a person should take them before bedtime. It's a good idea to speak to a doctor before taking any new supplements, especially for individuals who take other medications or have health conditions. Remember to subscribe so you never miss any videos. And also click any of the links below to download free reports, or links to solutions and to our website.